We are now near the station Luz, metro station Luz, one of the most dangerous hoods in Brazil, in Sao Paulo. As you see, there is another side of the street, many people who they are addicted to crack and fentanyl, but I guess here is most of them crack, because I have seen the pipe for crack everywhere, and that is really dangerous for foreigner and even for Brazilian to take out the camera. But however, I want to show you this metro station is really beautiful, is really old metro station. Con permiso, senhor, obrigado, muito obrigado. As you see, there are many vagabundos in the metro station. Too many junkies. I have to buy my ticket. I haven't seen the ticket. Bom dia, senhora. Eu quero bilhete, por favor. Por favor. The problem is here most of the time you have to pay in cash, otherwise you cannot take a ticket. They have some kind of MasterCard Visa, but still they didn't use it for the ticket system in the metro. The ticket cost almost 5 reals, less than. Concha de tu madre. Porque não funciona? Comprei agora. Agora. Obrigado, obrigado. Muito obrigado. I was really nervous and he told me just take it with a little calm and then everything will be okay. Desculpa, onde é linha amarilla?
Aqui, pode ir em frente.
Obrigado. Okay, now she told me where is the yellow line. I should take yellow line. This metro station is really huge. I have never seen such a metro station in Germany or other countries. It's really huge. The station Luz, which you come directly from Sao Paulo airport, Guarulhos or something like that, is difficult for me to spell the name in Portuguese language. The Portuguese language is very similar to Spanish language. That means if you are speaking Spanish language and you learn it, is really fast for you possible to talk Portuñol. Is a mix of Portuguese and Espanol, and they understand it really well. Almost, not really, but almost my second mother language is German. Is not related to Spanish, Portuguese, but thanks God I speak this language, and it makes really easy to do everything what you want here in Brazil without any problems. Okay. Time to ask again about direction, if we have to turn right or left here, because I'm not exactly sure. Bom dia, senhor. Senhora, onde queda? Eu quero ir à estação de Paulista, Brigadeiro.
Amarela.
Amarela.
Paulista, né?
Sim.
Amarela.
Obrigado. She told me still I have go forwards. Amarela. See, now we see amarela, which means yellow. Really like Spanish language, amarillo as yellow. What should you know is here in Brazil the SIM card is really cheap. 20 gigabyte, it costs almost less than 9 or 10 euro, 39 reals, but you need a CFP which is Brazilian tax ID. But most of these vendors, ambulant vendors, they will give you own tax ID, and you can open a new SIM card which you use it for WhatsApp or communication. It will help you because most of the people which they come to Brazil, they use Uber, and in these cases you need really SIM card. Now, okay, I see we are in the Linea Amarela. Oh, Dios mío, it's bigger than Allianz Arena in Munich, Germany. Bigger than airport, just a metro station. Bom dia, Paulista. Isso, obrigado. Okay, we are in the right turn. Vamos, vamos, más rápido. Desculpa, Paulista. Isso, obrigado. Ciao. They are really open mind and they are laughing all the time. They are really good people, but you have to be still careful because it's a really dangerous country. And please, if you come to Brazil, don't take your mobile phone like me in the hand and running everywhere as a gringo. That's a huge danger for you. Okay. As you see, now we are in the loose direction, and yes,